Yo, what's good, boys? What's good? So today, you feel me? Today, there's no car video. I'm sorry, Chance, I'm sorry, but like, soon though. I know y'all niggas like the car content. Yo, my hair is finished. I need to go do my hair. Yeah, I know y'all like the car content. You feel me? But like, coming soon. So there's just like a young vlog, young ice skating vlog. I'm going ice skating night session though. So we'll see what the day has for us. You feel me? Before we hit the rink. So yeah, can't forget the Jesus piece. You feel me? The bacon cross. But then I see y'all niggas.
He got a gun, but we know he ain't shooting for real.
He don't do it for real. Party ain't Michigan, not a lot to in the field. I don't know how I'ma heal. Turn it up with all the bitches and popping a pill. I don't know how I'ma feel. I made it out of the city, I'm lucky for.
Yo, so we on the way to Fish now. Yeah, the niggas at school. So we're picking niggas up from school now, and then we'll see what the day holds. I'm with Russian Bear here. Yeah, with Russian Bear. So talk to y'all niggas later.
Fashion off the islands, my nanny get it clean. Like a pussy track, all that motherfucker geek.
Yo, what's good, chat? So I'm at Neo's crib now. Yeah, I've been here, I've been lazy to vlog, but then now I'm focused. So yeah, we're about to eat and then we're gonna chill again. Then at like 6:30, then niggas is leaving. Junior went to work. You feel me? He went to make some rack. And then yeah. See y'all niggas.
What's up, YouTube?
I don't know if I'm on my shit. Yeah.
Talk to you again.
Yes, chat. So we
Still dressing up.
this is the whip for the day, you feel me? We go quantum on the niggas. Okay, I can't turn the camera, but like
Look at
dude. You can go quantum on. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Goddamn. I'm not vlogging. Yeah, but like
here's the whip.
this niggas messed up my vlog, but like yeah, going with the quantum. I'm capping. And then yeah, waiting for the other niggas. Oh, we're gonna be packed. And then we're also waiting for the other whip, and then yeah. We got Ryan in the back. We got Mohau in the back. We got Nell in the back too. And like more niggas coming. Send me that. I'm gonna edit my vlog.
Flicking up on the quantum. You understand? Flicking up on the quantum. What shoes are we wearing?
Are we done? Yeah, I go J4s.
Yeah.
I go Flares.
Yeah.
I go Hemisphere.
Yeah.
I go Jesus Peace.
Dancing that shit.
Scully.
Diamonds is dancing.
Yeah, I'm done. Let me get.
Hey, this guy, don't fall, man. Shy flip, back flip, boy.
Yeah, I'm joking.
No, record. If you miss, got cloud, but I'm telling you.
Yeah?
Get clouds. You can miss.
I'm like, it's actually scary.
Boy, you know it's
Boy, just jump, boy.
Yeah, it's dead ass scary, but wallahi.
Boy, just jump, boy.
our team is winning, boy. We're going to see what's the score real quick.
My nigga, me, I need to flick also.
Dead ass scary, wallahi.
Boy, jump. I'm next, boy.
Yo, YouTube. So, we're going to the rink now. Yeah, the rink. Yo, I can't see shit. And then, yeah. We're going,
Sorry. Tell me when you're done.
we're going to the rink now. I want to show you niggas Junior. This guy is flying. Yeah, he's
God.
Yeah, so yeah, I guess I'll catch your niggas when I get there.
Watch you trust me, cause these niggas sticky fingers.
Open there, man.
Get a drip or get dry on it, minute Draco. I just put a 50 round on it. Cooler kit, silencer. Damn, ain't no sound on it. Cutting face to a frown on it. Oh, whoa, I just been shining in rose gold. We in the street like hobos. I haven't booking no coke nose. These niggas sweeter than high and low. Can't have hands, he beating the bull. Playing the card, they were dead to me. Living the life that was chose. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so get him. Yeah, so the 05, shout 05.
Yeah, over.
So on the way to the rink now. The clip was just so, guys, that was AI. That was AI, you know. So, you know, I made it seem like it was a real clip. You know, in real life, do not do what I just did. You know, you have been here at the garage. Chips go the most. You get me? So now, yeah, we have the other members in the car here. The other car in the back. You know, can they even see me?
Yeah, they kind of. But no, not anymore now.
Yeah. So I see all niggas when I'm there. It's 10 rand. Damn, girl. So yeah, at 50. This driver number 2. The one who want to kill us. I want to kill us. We got Neo, we got Mohao, we got Nati, Siwu, Russian Pay, and me. Wait, and me. So when I hit the ice now, it's dark as hell. Yeah. So we're at the rink. We did. We're waiting for our session to start. Aish. Manchebe. It's growing. What's close? Yeah, and then see all niggas. We're right inside the ice. What's good? So we're at the rink. Yeah. Low key empty. High key empty. No way NPC. We came from there, is going upstairs. Dumbass niggas. Yeah.
I'll sing a flick of the ice cream.
The what?
I'll sing a flick of the ice cream.
Lying ass.
Mark at his car.
Hey, Mark can answer.
Oh, they could have just skates.
Yeah, so let me get my skates and then I'll see y'all niggas later.
It is cool.
Zombie mama. Ooh, the squad deep. Them niggas are piece Jordan in there. God damn. Hey, the whole gang is on the move. You. Hey. As cold as a out here. Yeah.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Hey.
Hey, get out. Run around. Too many times. You can hear what I'm saying.
This nigga got a white girlfriend all of a sudden. Nigga
What the
can't
fuck
talk
is
to
this?
us.
What is it here?
Cool, bro.
What are you saying, you?
Rock.
This guy is something now. No, they say.
Who said that? Whose body is heating up?
That's what this guy saying. Yeah, when you cold, it's like warming up. It's when it's warming up. It's like when you run, you sweat and get it.
Nah, I'm cutting that clip.
Yeah, I'm not counting.
Nah, I'm not cutting, I'm giving you. Oish, my junior unlocked the quid. I was I'm leaving them. Nigga, where are my cookies? Over here. Yeah, we leaving this because niggas they think they're cool, eh? I don't see hearing them.
Just vela man, officer you can.
Yeah, boy. Nigga, what do you mean, fella my kind?
Go, go, go.
I nigga so she might quit.
I never, boy.
This is a Suzuki, this is a Suzuki, this.
Go on, boy.
How? You guys are busy, nothing my sister.
Run, run.
These niggas ain't fucking with me. I just been giving them 50. I cannot be by no bitch. No, all of my bitches too pretty. Yes, most of these niggas be posers. Yeah. All of these niggas pretending. Bitch, I been that nigga for real. They talk about spending me, they ain't gon' kill me. These niggas they say that they demons, they not. I kill they out with the venom. You really sit and just play with your life. My niggas fuck up the city. Bitch, I got a couple niggas sitting, pull out the bean and hit you in a minute. Just cause you got a chopper, that don't mean you a killer, little bro, civilian. I know the devil wants you, but you can't let him get you, just start to repenting. No, anytime times get dark, to get on your grind and reach for the ceiling. Yes, nowadays I go black truck, nigga got stars on the ceiling.
Vlog. I won't even hold you, man. I forgot to shoot an outro. But I'm not gonna stand up and say, yeah, guys, thanks for watching till the end. Ooh, yeah, sure, I appreciate it. I won't even hold you, man. But bro, I'm editing this video while I'm sleeping, gang. So it's like, I must have wake up, bro. My vlogs are raw and authentic. You feel me? So anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for watching till the end, you know. Leave my purple bonnet, bro. I stole it from my sister. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching till the end. You get what I'm saying? More vlogs coming soon. Yeah, more vlogs coming soon. That's if y'all like and subscribe, bro. Y'all niggas, you don't even tell me if you like the vlogs. I don't even know if I should continue or not. Bro, at least one comment that says, Tando, please carry on vlogging. Then we'll be good, you dig? So, yeah. Anyways, shout out to me. Shout out.
You can't let them get you, just start to repenting. No, anytime times get dark, to get on your grind and reach for the ceiling. Yes, nowadays.